Alright guys, see, look, may mango guys. Right, you know, almost finish guys the mango. Kaya I make kilawin. That's the one yesterday I catching the E guys. I making kilawin. That's why I using mango 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Guys, ito I take this one mango, Mr. B to make kilawin. Another one Mr. B, dalawa, right? Another one, nahulog. Time to eat that one. Dami dito banda guys. Tatlo, tama na yan guys. Yan o. Alright, continuous natin sa loob guys. Itong lagay natin. Okay, continuous lang guys. Okay guys, this is it. Yesterday, this is the one I catching. You see it, I take the mango really outside my house to my ingredients for make kilawin. See, tinan nyo naman yan guys. Diba? Ito yung mango natin. Ihalo natin. Onion, saka luya, garlic. Yun lang guys yung ano natin. Ang saka hot pepper ang isama natin dyan. Yan yan. Ito na siya. At least after over a year, hindi tayo nakatikim ng yun na nga, kahapon nag-wish ako na makahuli ako ng pang make ko kilawin. This is my first time to make kilawin since I came here in Saipan. And this is it guys. Yan na yan ha. Kuntiyasan natin guys ha. Para mamaya mayroon na tayong kilawin. Right? Okay. Alright, let's go. Yes sir. Ito na guys. Natapos na natin guys. In the hour. Ito yung mango natin tayo. Dinamihan natin mango. Yung garlic natin. Saka onion. Saka yung hot pepper guys. Tinan mo yung hot pepper. Yan ano natin dyan. Yan. Mr. B. Ito ako magkilaw. I'm making kilawin. Yan na guys. Sarap yan. Kaya halo na natin yan guys. Yung mangga. Kaya yung garlic. Yung garlic sama na natin yan. Pati yung sibuyas. Yung onion. Guys yan. Pinakamay ko lang guys kasi ako naman ang kakain nito. Fully papagear to eat this one. At least may blessing tayo na nakakuhuli tayo ng Sabi ng iba wala daw Okay, no comment, sabi ko. Diba? At least tayo ngayon may tayo. Diba? Ayan ang ano natin ngayon. Yan na. Ngayon, yung kuha tayo ng kutsara guys, para dyan. Kasi masyadong matindi to guys. Yan. Haluin na natin yan guys. Wow, naglalaway na ako. Yum talaga. Naamoy ko na talaga guys yung yung sili. Buhay pa yung Okay, so sili pa guys. Mag-almoranas tayo. Nako. Talagang Yan guys. Nako, ama sa langit. Talagang maanghang to guys. Salt. Ha? Isa. Marami niyan guys. Okay na yan. Ha? Kung kita mo sa pag-ano lang natin guys, talagang namula na guys. Nako, ang mata ko guys, anghang na din. Ilabi ka. Yan guys, oh. Lagyan natin ng kunting suka. Diyan, tama na to guys. Sige natin, tama na ito. Sarado natin. Yan na yan guys. Yan na. Dagdag pa natin ng suka guys. Itong mga alaga namin guys. Dito na sa bahay. May mga anak na rin. Yan mga apo namin dito guys. Para makahigop tayo ng unique vinegar, little bit plenty para you can make soup. Guys, atin need more, Hey guys, 5 minutes guys. Try yung ano natin Okay na yan guys. 6 minutes hanggang maano natin yan guys. Depende sa inyo guys kung you put the Ajinomoto guys. Okay, if you don't like to put the Ajinomoto, change the situation. But you see it, may Ricardo with the mango, fresh mango, onion, and this one 30 pieces of the EE guys. 30 pieces for the EE. Yan, 6 minutes natin. So buha pa tayo ng oras to guys, yung pag-making natin ng kilawin. This one guys, maybe like 2 hours. I put the refrigerator of this one, and then eat. Everything guys, I smell good already. The wind, Papa enjoying me, the wind, Mr. B. Making Kilwin, Papa Jerry, today. Yesterday, shout out Zero Perdido in the United States and Umaris States. Guys, pero yan, depende sa inyo guys kung you put the Ajinomoto. For me, I put also like little bit Ajinomoto, this one, right? Guys, yeah, ingredients ko dito guys. So, isa natin itong mga sinumuto natin para makita nyo guys. Actual to guys na ano. Pero konti lang lalagay sa atin. Tama na yung tingnan nyo kung ang dami ito yan. Dami ba? Oh, dami yan guys. At least palasa ulit. Ha? Kasi baga yung iba pag sabi lang marami, makumin na marami daw Ajinomoto. Ang pagkawa ko ng ano lang, konti lang masyado, hindi marami. Kita nyo naman yung pag-umilito natin. Kasi lang you're making sure you can mix like minutes too, and then you can make the flavor of your kilowin very good. Official for Saipan E. About it, tell me nothing E. Oh yeah, okay, I'll try. Try Papa Jerry. What is it? Ha? Yan ang ganun lang guys ha. Ano nyo lang habang ano siya. Okay guys, tikman natin ha. Let me see first. Good. Very good guys. Ulangan tayo sa Ajinomoto. Okay na yan guys. Here. Papa Jerry. Beautiful.